Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 10th, 2021. And I already solved one puzzle, so there are three puzzles left: a Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. And this one, Sudoku with 4 stars, will be number 2450. And will this Sudoku be easier than the previous Sudoku? I do not know. It's a 4-star Sudoku, so if it's really a 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. The previous Sudoku I have solved exactly in 30 minutes. So let's see. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. All right. Then. 4, 4. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. All right. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. Well, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So now we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. All right. And now we have a 2 here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 4, 7. Okay. Let me see. 4. Okay. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 4, and 7. All right. 9. 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There and 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8. Okay. So we have a 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Right. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then these 3 missing numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. That means we have in the middle row 2 numbers left. 5, 6, 7. Those 2 missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 5. How about 5, 5, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. 7. Yeah. 7, 6. I'm thinking. 2, 2. 2, 2. Ooh. 8, 7. 8, 7. 8, 7. 2, 8. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, let me focus the camera. Yes. Okay. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the row above the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. I've marked those 2 boxes for the 9. So now 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. No, 8 we have there. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes and there. These 3 missing numbers. These 3 missing numbers. The 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this middle column. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4 in the middle column. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6, I believe. Yes, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 6. Yeah. 6. But we have a 2 in this row. A 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Let me see. The 4 we have here, 4. And the 7 should be here. Yeah. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 4 here in this column, but also a 7 in one of those 3 boxes. We need a 7. Here we have a 7. This cannot be a 7. This 7 could be here, could be there. So the 4 and the 7 we have here in this column. So in this box cannot be the 4 and the 7. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Another pair. Yes, a lot of pairs. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. Alright. 6. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this row, the last row, are the numbers reserved for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Wait. We have a 7 here. The 4 and the 5 are missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be 4. So this should be the 4. And this should be a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 6 goes there. And then here, 3 missing numbers. The 6 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 6 and the 8. So no 6 and the 8 in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes are not up here. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. The 2. The 2 is missing. Yes, the 2. 2. All right. Here appear, here appear, here appear, there appear. All right. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright, 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. Alright, now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. Alright, and this should be a 9. Okay, now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, and this should be a 7. Okay. Now we have a 9 there, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. Alright, and this box should be a 1. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. I'm very pleased with the time because it's faster than the previous Sudoku. And you cannot tell 24 or 23 printed digits less than the other Sudokus. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs and sometimes no luck with the digits. So but this time, yeah, I'm very pleased. The time is very fast and it's easier than the previous Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the 2 last puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.